I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Marami pa nga guys talagang kaganapan sa ating couple patungkol sa kanilang England trip na talaga namang marami ngayong mga kumakalat na video ng ating couple. A very happy and wifey coded nga raw talaga itong dalawa. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video, sabay-sabay tayong kiligin.
Appreciate po namin lahat ng pagkaluto dito. Salamat po. One cup rice? Yeah. One cup? Pwede na. Ito rin po. You know what, Kyle? This is my mom.
Naumani nga agad dito ng maraming komento mula sa mga bula na ayon nga guys sa kanila, they are very domesticated and a very lovely couple. #Donbell. At ayon pa nga guys sa mga bula, I slowly understand why Don's love is colorblind. Belle lives a life of a princess. There's Donnie not only holding food in both hands but also thoughtfully carrying Belle's bag. It as if any form of difficulty vanishes when Donnie is by her side. And the share na lang tayo, a simple gesture that speaks volumes. Hubby-wife dynamic, it's always Donnie gently handling her things while Belle makes sure their food is taken care of. That natural give and take doesn't just happen with anyone unless you're in a relationship. Iyan na nga guys ngayon ang pinag-uusapan sa social media. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating couple sa mga susunod pa na araw.